Greetings, Doctor. I'm Salon son of M. Chandran. My matrix number is S66758, and today I'm going to present the lab test. As you see, for task one, I've chosen Westraliga parasisoma short mackerel and Westraliga canacuta Indian mackerel. About Westraliga parasisoma short mackerel, the characteristic features are they have two small keels on either side of caudal peduncle. They have adipose eyelids covering front and rear of eye and 30 to 48 gill rakers on lower limb of first gill arc, and their gill rakers are long and visible from side of head when mouth open. They have about 5 to 6 dorsal and anal finlets, and the head length of Parasusma is equal to or less than body depth. They have a really very deep body, and its depth at posterior margin of apical 3.7 to 4.3 times, and they have a fork shaped caudal fin, and their body shape is fusiform and compressed and covered by small stenoid scales. They can grow up to 40 centimeters and can weigh at least up to 2 kilograms. Their distribution are at East Indian and Western Central Pacific Ocean. Due to they have fork shaped caudal fin, they are actually fast swimmers, and they live in inshore epipelagic zone, and the they are neritic species that tolerates reduced salinity entering habitats, and they can be found within a temperature range of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, and usually they can found in between 15 to 200-meter depth in ocean. Their biology, they feeds primarily on microzooplankton with high phytoplankton content. They lives in forms schools with similar sized conspecifics in the Javan Sea length, where 50% of individuals become mature is between 15 to 18 centimeter, and they equivalent to 7.5 months old. Their estimated maximum age is at least 2 years. The They have a silver white below and silvery greenish above with fine dark spots. They have their pectoral and pelvic fins are dusky, and they have a yellow caudal fin. So that's all for Restorative Brachyusma. Move on to Restorative Canaguta. Uh, as Brachyusma, they also have two small gills on either side of peduncle. And for gastric Canaguta, they have adipose eyelids covering in front and rear of eye. Uh, Canaguta has 30 to 40 gill rakers on lower limb of the first gill arc, and its gill rakers are long and visible from side of head when the mouth is open. They also have 5 to 6 dorsal and anal finlets, but Restorative Canaguta's head length is uh, also equal to or less than body depth. They have moderately deep body, and its depth at posterior margin of 4.3 to 5.2 times of fork length. They have a large interdorsal space, and as Parasisma, Canaguta also have a fork-shaped caudal fin, fusiform and compressed body shape also, and covered with small stenoid scales. The color of Castolia Canaguta is blue-green above, side silver with golden tint. They have narrow horizontal stripes on upper sides and a black spot near lower margin of pectoral fin. Dorsal fins are yellow with black tip, and their pectoral and caudal fins are yellowish, and other fins are dusky. They can grow up to 42.1 cm and maximum weight at least 3 kg. They are also found in tropical waters of the Indo-West Pacific Ocean. Due to they have a fork-shaped caudal fin, they also lived in an inshore pelagic species occurring in coastal bays, lagoon, and harbors, and found in depth between 20 to 90 meters from the ocean. And their biology, they feeds on plankton and primary larvae crustaceans, but also larvae fishes. They also they are common species occurring in large schools. Their length at first sexual maturity varies by regions in Indian waters. It is estimated uh, to be at 19.6 centimeter, between 17.5 to 19.5 centimeter in Malaysia. Malaysia waters, and 20 to 42 cm in the Gulf of Suez. The They have two spawning seasons are believed to occur. The first from January to March and the second from August to October. Their fecundity of varies between 28,542 to 123 and 760 eggs. They are estimated at least at the maximum age until 4 years. Doctor can ask how to differentiate these species with same genus. Uh, Gastralica canagutta and Gastralica parasiusma mostly have similar characteristics, but they can be differentiated by the, for example, Gastralica canagutta is completely narrow-bodied and Gastralica parasiusma is short-bodied. The morphometric measurements of these two species differ in four morphometric characters such as body depth, greatest depth, pre-pelvic, and pre-pectoral length. Rastralica parasiusma has more body depth and pre-pelvic length compared to Rastralica canagutta. The body coloration and occurrence of blotches is continuously differing in both the mackerel as a character that can be used for identification and differentiation among the mackerels. So, for example, Astragalga canagutta have three longitudinal stripes present above the lateral line and three rows of dark band horizontal present with each row varying from 14 to 16 and present at the center of the body below first and second dorsal fin. For the Parasysma, the Astragalga parasysma is bluish green in top part of the body and slightly silvery below. Another example is Astragalga canagutta as a prominent dark circular or irregular spot is observed near the pectoral fin. But the dark benzene in Rastralica canagata are completely absent in Rastralica parasysoma. And also, Rastralica canagata is the length of the head is greater than the body depth. For parasysma, the length of the head is almost equal to the body depth. These are the aspects that we can differentiate the Rastralica canagata and Rastralica parasysma. Thank you, doctor.